Hey Siri, what's the definition of fellowship?
Fellowship means friendly association, especially with people who share one's interests.
It might be a little bit muddy out here, but it really isn't dampening anybody's spirits.
Yeah, but it's staying up front. Gotta keep your step on the mud one.
Who brought this one down?
This is Steve's machine.
From Massachusetts?
Yes, Massachusetts.
Fellowship at the furnace. It's starting to happen.
But I just wanted to give a little briefing here real quick. Obviously, it is wet and muddy, extremely muddy down there. We are not in a race. If we don't split all this wood, it doesn't matter. I don't care. I just want everybody to be safe and take their time. And if you want to run a machine, make sure you go over there and get your hands on it. The people who own the machines are here, and they are all willing to let you run the machine. Do whatever you want with it. Get a feel for it. And that's what this is all about, is just getting able to see the machines and run the machines and hang out and have a good time with each other. I want to thank Will Walcott. Where you at? You all can smell the tasty goodness that he is cooking up for us today. So thank you, Will. I definitely appreciate that. We've got every splitter in the lineup from Eastonmade here, with the exception of the 511 and the 24D. So you will have a good taste of the difference between the machines. In this first row here, we have the Ultra, which is the entry-level machine, and then the Granddaddy.
Heath. Hard-working man is in the house.
Man and the real star, Rachel.
And the star.
Hi.
Hey, Rachel, how you
Favorite
doing?
old guy.
You guys feeling better, I hope?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good, man. You sounded rough the other day on that
Oh,
video.
got me for a couple days, but I'm good now. I'm out of the woods.
All right, man. Good to see you. Jack, Log Cabin Firewood. Jack and Jack. Jack Square. There's Jack's dad. And Jeff.
Having a great time, Dick.
Yeah, man, I tell you. From Adirondack Woodland.
That's right.
Yep.
Heading down from New York.
Wasn't here earlier, and I don't know if he's here now, but I'd like to give Mr. Joe Gilbert, the driver of the bus, a big round of applause.
Hey, Joe.
I don't know what we would have done. I really don't know what we would have done if he hadn't volunteered to do that for us. So thank you, Joe. Or as Jeff calls him, Bob. The food is ready to be served, and good news, all 100 $500 raffle tickets are sold.
Oh, cool.
So somebody will be going home with the saw today.
Thank you.
Did everybody get their fill of running every piece of equipment they wanted to run? No? No. Well, after lunch and after the raffles, for those of you who are hardcore and want to hang out and split some more wood, there's still more down there to do. But I understand the weather's crummy and there's playoff football on today.
No, it was over last week with Bill's
But again, I want to thank
Who's that
everybody.
guy in the crowd?
The $5 raffles are still going on. We're going to draw those once everybody gets done eating. We'll draw the $500 raffle once everyone gets done eating, and we will do the splitting mall giveaway for everybody who signed a waiver as well. So if you didn't fill out a waiver form when you got here, if you snuck through, see either Rachel or Patty to fill out that form so that you can.
Danny, my favorite Axis splitter helper. All right.